Hi, Mickey. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am here at SuperDrive with the wife. Hi. And Mickey. And we're just about to go and check out some of the cars out here. So it's a really fat turnout. Pretty much the whole lot's all filled out. So we're gonna start walking around and seeing what sweet whips you guys brought out today. Beautiful. That's sick. Yeah, we got a rotary Miata. We've seen this in the last meet. This is really clean. Big old turbo on there. And I love the wide body. That's sick. These are imported. See, it's a right-hand drive. Yeah, these are Toyota Chasers. This is sick. These are cool. And there's two of them. Super cool interior. Got this Acura with Tesla wheels. This is kind of interesting. That's cool.
This color.
Yeah, this. I don't remember what the name of this color. I think it's like Seaside Blue or something. Oh, this is clean. It's an M3 with a blower. I love these M3s. Old school V8. And with a blower, that must be pretty quick. All right, we're gonna wrap your car this color. You want this color or that color?
If I had to choose?
Yeah, if you had to choose. She's like, neither. This is a really nice RX-7. And it's very clean. It's not clapped out. These kids don't know. It's so hard to find these clean now. All right, we got another Lotus Evora here. This is pretty sick. I have no idea how people drive these on the street without worrying about crushing their car, but these technically you can't even import yet. And yet here it is. And they do look super sweet. Oh, I love this. Damn, this looks so clean. NSXs in yellow just look so nice. All right, this is different. This is a Datsun. And it's also wide body, that's sick. You like the license plate? Check this out.
Ooh wee!
That's awesome.
Ooh wee!
Shout out to my E36 fam. These are really clean. This reminds me of mine so much. It's wrapped too. Clean, clean, clean. Nice. This remind you of anything?
Yeah. I gotta pick her up.
Here. This dog is high maintenance. This is for my sticker vinyl folk.
Well, technically, I haven't like talked to them in years. I just like hop on their chat and.
This is a Tesla with air suspension. That's really cool. And we got another one right here. Ooh, this is really clean. Well, to me it is. This is an old Impreza. It's a 2.5 RS. It doesn't have any badges, but I'm assuming it is. These are really nice. These are actually hard to find. These were the ones I used to pick all the time in Gran Turismo. That's definitely my Gran Turismo car. What's up, Victor? How you doing, man?
Chilling. Got some Hot Wheels and
nice.
Stuff. My Drift RC. And this is for sale too.
That's for sale too? Okay.
If people need an S13 Type X,
there you go.
Send them to me.
Okay.
I need my space in my house. So.
I don't know, what do you think about that wing? Like, do you like it? Yeah, now. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if I still want to put a wing on my car or not. I kind of like it without the wing, but I don't know, it looks like it's kind of missing something. Personally, not my taste for that wing, but still nice. Just not my taste.
Yours is for the win.
All right, we're gonna go check out the Friends whip. Y'all already know who it is. Ninja.
What's up, man?
What's up? What's up?
It's
What's
really
up?
hot. I just want to stand in some
Yeah, this
shade.
is kind of warm. Go over there.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Hi, little guy. Hi.
Here's coconut.
Coconut. Hi.
I mean,
Are you gonna be chill now?
Are you guys gonna be friends?
chicken nut.
See? She just wants to be friends. Hey, hey.
Oh, there you go.
Now they want to play.
There you go.
I like RX-7s.
Dude, I like these Integras that have like the JDM style lights.
Oh, yeah. It's so weird to see a Subaru, like, so like these can-side wheels are like,
Yeah.
like concave, deeper,
Yeah.
like R34 wheels.
But then the wheels are kind of stretched too, so they kind of like give it that poke look. Oh, this is sick. This is an old school Supra Mark III. What is this? Is this a Miata?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It's like a catfish.
Yeah, it's like a fish.
Oh, check this out. It's a turbo E36. This is clean.
Jeez, that blanket is like right on the strut tower.
I think this is a drift car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely drift setup.
Yeah. This is a cool color. Purple.
It's like an Easter egg.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it is like an Easter egg. We got a bunch of Subarus over here. Subaru.
Fucking car in front of me. Its license plate says fucking Subaru. Subaru. Subaru.
I remember last meet there was a Miata that parked in inside the compact where the carts were. Oh, right here. See? I was like, yeah, that's hilarious. This is a really nice lineup of Fox Body Mustangs. Fox bodies all day. Oh, look at that intake manifold. These are clean. Clean. Hey, yo, check this out. I don't even know what this is. What is this?
I believe it's Volkswagen.
Is it a Volkswagen?
It's a Volkswagen thing.
Yeah, it's a Volkswagen thing.
Bro. Sorry, I was so mesmerized.
Dude, this is sick.
Have you seen this? Dude, look.
What is this? Yeah, I was like, what is this thing? Yeah, that's cool, right? I don't even know what this is. This is sick. Yeah, that's cool. This is Miguel's R33. I see you, bro. Let's see your wheels. He just got these redone. I see you, bro. I see you. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool, right? There's a really clean Prelude right here. Now, if I remember correctly, if this is stock, that's an H22. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, Honda boys. Yo, I like this colorway on the engine bay with white and gold. It just looks so clean. Yes, sand dudes, yes. Got a bunch of S2000s out here. Dude, these Porsches.
I know.
This is so clean, dude.
Red is really rare.
Yeah, it just pops. Carrera RS. I think this guy's on air. I just don't see this being static.
Or they unbolted it.
Yeah, this is clean. Yeah, let's take a closer look at this Lotus Evora. It looks pretty clean, and it's an orange. This looks pretty nice.
I'm gonna go get some coffee.
I like the color. It has like a little sparkle, like a shimmer to it. And we got the NSX. These are nice. This is a nice lineup. Excuse me. Ooh, check out this red dots in here. This is sick. This is cool. Really clean. Two Chiefs. Ford Ranger.
Me some tools. Freaking Ford Ranger. Motherfucking son of a gun. Motherfucking Ford Ranger. See, you may be big and shit, but you ain't no fucking Ford fucking Ranger.
This is clean. You don't see this generation out very much. It's like old school. I don't remember what year this is. Yo, shout out Century. Yeah, we're all here to watch Minions, man. We're lining up for the fucking matinee. Hey, someone stole my car. That's my car. Yeah, who took my car and put these wheels on them? I don't want these wheels. Which way are you going? Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with today's video. A bunch of cars out at the SuperDrive meet, so if you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys want to subscribe, feel free to follow me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Bye.